In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp couldn't link device. If you're seeing the couldn't link device message when trying to connect WhatsApp on your computer or browser, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few simple issues you can fix quickly. Follow along and try each solution, then attempt linking again right after. First, make sure your internet connection is stable on both your phone and the device you're linking to. WhatsApp needs an active, reliable connection during the QR code handshake. If you're on Wi-Fi, toggle it off and back on, or switch briefly to mobile data to test. On your computer, disconnect and reconnect to the network, or try a different network if available. Small hiccups in connectivity can break the initial link, so a quick toggle often does the trick. Next, verify your device's date and time settings. On your phone, go to Settings, then System, then Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. Security tokens used during linking are time sensitive, and even a slight mismatch can cause failure. Make sure the time zone is correct as well. After enabling automatic time, close WhatsApp completely, reopen it, and try linking again to refresh those time-based checks. If that doesn't solve it, update or reinstall WhatsApp. Open your App Store and install any available updates for WhatsApp on your phone. If you use WhatsApp Desktop, update that too or download the latest version. Still stuck? Consider a clean reinstall on your phone. Before you do, create a chat backup within WhatsApp so you can restore your messages afterward. Then reinstall, verify your number, restore your backup if you made one, and attempt the link again. Running the newest build removes bugs and compatibility issues that often block the process. Finally, disable any VPNs and clear your browser cache if you're using WhatsApp Web. VPNs can reroute traffic in ways that interrupt secure sessions, so turn them off temporarily while linking. Then open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear browsing data, specifically cached images and files. You don't need to clear passwords if you don't want to, but a clean cache ensures the QR page loads fresh. Close and relaunch the browser, head back to web.whatsapp.com, and try linking again. If possible, test in another browser to rule out browser-specific glitches. After each fix, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to linked devices, tap link a device, and scan the QR code on your computer screen. With these steps, most couldn't link device errors are resolved quickly. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting connected.